Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw tasks from Microsoft Planner using Power Automate flows step by step clearly. Open your Microsoft Power Automate homepage. Log in using your Microsoft account credentials. Click on Create located in the navigation pane. Select Automated Cloud Flow from the options available. Enter a name for your flow in the designated field. In the Trigger search box, type recurrence and select the recurrence trigger. Set the frequency and interval for how often you want the flow to run. Click on New Step to add an action to the flow. In the Actions search box, type Planner and choose List Tasks. Select the specific plan and bucket from which you want to withdraw tasks. Add another step by clicking on New Step. In the Actions search box, type Condition. Set up a condition based on task properties, such as status or due date. In the If Yes section of the condition, click Add an Action. Search for Send an email and select it. Fill in the email address, subject, and body for your notification. In the body, you can include dynamic content from the task if needed. After configuring the email, click on Save to preserve your flow. Test your flow by clicking on the Test button in the top right corner. Choose manually or automatically to initiate the test. Once your flow runs successfully, check the email to confirm task withdrawal notifications. Your flow is now ready to withdraw tasks from Microsoft Planner automatically using Power Automate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.